elke jaar nomineer hulle 'n klomp kinders van reg oor die wêreld wat betrokke is by gemeenskapsontwikkeling ensovoorts. En haar nominasie het toe na die meeste stemme getrek as gevolg van die Kylie campaign.
Kaylee Mycroft is nie jou alledaagse 17-jarige nie. Hierdie jong dame worstel nie net met die krisisse van tienerwees en matriekeksamen skryf nie, maar is al vir 8 jaar volspoed betrokke met welsynswerk deur haar Kaylee Campaign inisiatief. Sy was onlangs in Den Haag aangewys as die wenner van die Kids Rights Internasionale Vredesprys vir kinders. Kaylee was vir hierdie toekenning genomineer deur die F.W. de Klerk Stichting, 'n nie winsgewende en nie politiese organisasie wat gefokus is op menseregte.
It was really exciting when I found out that I was the winner because I knew that I saw the other nominees and they were all amazing, and the fact that I won was really cool, and also the fact that I was chosen out of 92 other kids it's a humbling thing because you were the one.
Vandag het oud-president de Klerk self 'n verskyning gemaak om vir Kaylee geluk te wens met haar prestasie.
You don't think that you can meet people like F.W. de Klerk, you don't. Like, I was sitting in business like 20 minutes ago, learning about business reports, and now I'm sitting with F.W. de Klerk. Like, that doesn't happen. So it's exciting to meet all these people that people of influence.